everyone! Welcome to EnglishBit, your little daily piece of English. Here we learn fast, speak confidently, and without boring grammar tables. If you want to start speaking English easily and naturally, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new bit. Let's start right now.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. My name is Leo. What is your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Where are you from?
I am from Russia. And you?
I am from Spain. Do you live in Moscow?
No. I live in St. Petersburg. Where do you live?
I live in Barcelona. How old are you?
I am 18 years old. How old are you?
I am 19. Are you a student?
Yes. I am a student. I study English. What about you?
I am a student too. I study computer science.
Cool. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. And you?
I have one brother.
Do you like music?
I like pop music. And you?
I like rock and Latin music. I have a dog. His name is Max. Do you have a pet?
Yes. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Nice. What do you do in your free time?
I read books and watch YouTube. And you?
I play football and ride my bike. Do you like sport?
Yes, I like swimming.
Great. What is your favorite food?
I love pizza and borscht. What is your favorite food?
I love paella and pizza too. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
My favorite color is blue. Do you like summer or winter?
I like summer. And you?
I like spring. Can you speak Spanish?
I can speak Russian and English.
Spanish is my first language. I can speak English and a little Russian. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I want to visit Spain one day.
You are welcome. I want to visit Russia too.
Super. It was very nice to talk to you, Leo.
It was nice to talk to you too, Anna. Let's talk again.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.